Alright everyone, Saturday afternoon, kind of let the day get away from me. I did yesterday, worked on the Governor a little bit. I tightened it up and called it good and did a bunch of trims yesterday, and then I spent the rest of the day putting away all that mess that was stacked up over there. That's just what I've milled today. I was down here for about an hour this morning, and then decided to work on the Governor a little bit more, so I changed the bolt. Actually, that's a bolt from a Husqvarna muffler. So the one I was going to use was just a hair too big, so I'm going to put it in a drill and spin it on my grinder a little bit, just make it a hair smaller. But it's a little bit better than what that is, but that'll work for now. Anyways, just wanted to see how well it was working, so I threw this. It looks like, I think it was a 5-footer. I tossed it over in that pile so it wasn't sitting on the ground, and I don't feel like doing no trims right now to test it, so I thought we'd do a log real quick. So no lights down here. I think I must have blew a fuse. So alrighty, here we go. Alright everyone, that turned out some nice boards. I don't know what I'll use them for. It's only, I think that log was like 5'3" or something like that. But so I just made them true 2-inch, which the way my saw pulls, it always gives you just about an 1/8 inch extra. And I do that because most of my lumber sits out here and dries, and by the time it dries, it's perfect. So I used to go 1/4, and it used to always be a little heavy, so I've been doing just the 1/8, and seems been going all right. Well, anyway, so the governor's working, so I think it's just moving slow because of I had more spring tension than I usually do right here. See, that spring there is getting a little weak, so it's just not pushing the throttle, giving it the gas as quick. Plus, all this stuff is so sloppy and loose. You know, you're losing a little bit even right there. So all them sloppy spots makes you lose your reaction time. Anyways, hope everyone has a great Easter. I'm gonna go on up to the house and relax. I might come down here tomorrow and work. Not sure yet, but anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great evening.